Bird alert. Well, there it is. Freaking 3 hours later, it feels like 10:30. So let's say 11, 12, 1. 11, 12, 1. So about 2 hours later. Got it on there, strapped in good. I kept this on there for that extra reinsurance. I'm about to tie that last one on there. Should be. This flat tire got me nervous, man, but she should be alright, man. Got the back locked down as well. I'm not going to be doing too much recording because I hate towing and stuff. So the current time is 2:04. So it says we're supposed to be to our destination by 4:17. That's obviously with no traffic. I'm hoping and praying that I do get there in 2 hours and 20 minutes. Man, this was a pain in the ass, man. I should have known this was gonna be an all-day process, but that's why I've been dreading to do this. But whatever. 55 miles to LA. Here we go. That boy out there towing in style, damn it.
You better put that cutlass first, nigga.
All that's missing is the T-tops now.
Oh, it's in there. You wait on it.
That's it. Work that, twerk that. Work that, twerk. Got my grandpappy over there. Oh, nigga, do not ever smell like that again. We got that 442 Butleys. Fire shit up. Get your ass fired on then, fired up. Go ahead. Go ahead, you good? You on here? Oh, he banged on you. Can't even see in the window. Look at that. Can't even see inside the window. There you go. There you go. There you go. The man with the plan. Would you would clear the gate?
I just want to go up a little bit.
All right.
I can get it in. There's gonna be a lot of.
Hey, that's what you told her? Yeah, that thing right there, man. She got in and got out. Y'all know what's up in there. You want me to take up both lanes? Or just this one? Right here? This because yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, baby, I should have did this earlier, man. My silly self. I'm trying to be sexy, man, but it's hot in the sun. Hold on real quick. Right. Bump that AC button. All right, cool. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, forehead sweating and stuff. It was hot that fast. I was starting to make this video earlier today because I want y'all to see these little. Let me see. I want y'all to get a good look at your boy, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I was like, somebody gonna see me today. I got 39,000 followers. Video may not get 39,000 views and the camera about to die. Damn. I lost my damn battery charger. That's God right there, bro. I swear to God, that's the devil. You a damn lie, bro. But oh, that's trash, man. I'm about to end the video, man. Y'all seen your boy, man. Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get you an old school, because I got my 69. The devil, it just had 2 bars and it died on me. But I hope y'all enjoyed the 69 Firebird content. I gotta end it because it's gonna die on me. I want to at least save this part. And I appreciate all you guys, man. You a hater. So real quick, you guys know that the 1969, and my camera about to die, I'm gonna say this as quick as possible before it delete. The 1969 Camaro is headed over to the House of Boost, over with my grandpappy Pac-Man, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all know, everything over there gets done super quick or whatever. So this is actually the motivation I needed. Y'all gonna see some collabs with me and Pac. Actually, this is gonna be one of the first collabs. We did cars in the past together. We did plenty of cars or whatever. But I'm talking about some recent. We haven't did anything. We haven't did anything in a minute. He's been doing his own thing. He took a break for a little bit, and he's back in action or whatever. So I'm also about to get back in the swing, get back in the groove of things. Man, I can't believe this is. I look too good right now, man. I'm over here looking like Bay. If you haven't done so already, check my TikTok out. I'm posting all like sneak peeks on my TikTok, man. So go check the TikTok out. Go check my TikTok out. It's at the Fine Mechanic, man. So you know, give me a follow over there, liking all that. But like I said, 1969 Firebird is in action. Yes, I still have the wagon. Update for the wagon is coming as well. And something else. 96 Impala footage. That's just gonna have to wait for a little bit. All the cars that I got at the house, I'm about to push all them damn things out. You guys actually might even see some over at Pack House, you know what I'm saying, getting finished up. But I don't know, man. Like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get you a damn battery charger. Cause Cannon, you gotta give me mine. Ooh-wee, baby. Ooh-wee. Let me see if that's getting on good. Hopefully this is I forgot I had a y'all see that? You know what I'm saying? I'm in a 2005, but it's acting like it's a 2022. Seats reclining and all that by itself. So check it out. My camera died, man. Somehow I lost my battery pack, and I don't know where it went to. And I just made a second video. I just made a second video after that first clip, so I'm hoping it did not delete or whatever. So let me know if you guys can let me know if you guys can see the quality difference in between the iPhone 13 Plus Pro Max and the Canon M50. Right now I'm recording on my phone, as you guys can see my camera right here. Let me know if you guys can tell the difference. I need a vote in the comments. I need a vote in the comments right now. I'm putting my LS3. Originally, I was going to put the LS3 with the LSA inside my 96 Impala. But, I don't know. I'm going to leave it up to you guys or whatnot, man. Put the LS3 with the LSA and the 69 Bird and the 69 Firechicken, a.k.a. Don't Touch My Chicken. Do I put it in there? Or, you guys remember, I got sponsored. Hell, everybody got sponsored with a turbo. So, let me know if you guys. I would prefer the Bird to be a turbo car because it just sounds a little bit sexier. But I also don't mind it being an LSA car too. So turbo or supercharger. That supercharger is just nice because it's right off the line, man. So obviously I got to be careful. I have it's not aluminum, it's cast aluminum, so it's a little bit strong. But leave it in the comments, man. LS3 turbo or LS3 supercharged? Please leave it in the comment. That's gonna help me out a lot. I might even do a vote. Only thing I'll be missing for the turbo setup would be my the exhaust manifolds, the plumbing and things like that. The supercharger, it is pretty much complete, has everything that it needs. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I was trying to include everything from this video all into one video. I don't know what the heck happened. Yeah, I really don't know what the heck happened. I had to redo the video like 2 times. For whatever reason, my computer kept like saying it's out of space or something like that. So what I'm going to actually do is my computer needs an update. My MacBook Pro 2015, it needs an update, so I'm going to update it right now, and I'm going to reset it and clear everything off of it, and then you know, because there's nothing on there for it to have any storage or whatnot. So, but remember, it is synced to your phone and whatever other it's synced to my phone and whatever other Apple devices. I mean, I gotta watch and stuff like that, but it ain't no way in hell it's out of storage like that. But anywho's, man, I know it's probably my third time saying it. I really do appreciate it. I need all you guys to like, subscribe, and show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper, because you know I'm gonna get mine. I'm gonna say this last thing, then I'm gonna let y'all go, man. I gotta do less talking and be about more action, because, like, you know, this is for you too. This is for somebody, and honestly, it's probably for you. When you talking about something, it makes you feel like there's some type of action behind it. But when you talking about something, oh, I'm gonna do this, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna do that, and you don't do it, it's literally you're just talking yourself up to make yourself feel better about it. So one of the things is I've been talking up my wagon, I've been talking to my bird, I've been talking up my 96, talking all of them. Ain't nothing happen, ain't nothing happen, you know what I'm saying? So, man, I'm basically saying, you know, put it down on a piece of paper. Once you put it down on a piece of paper, that's when it becomes legit. After you put it down on a piece of paper, start write down all the steps that you need to do to get wherever you want to go, or do whatever you want to do, whether it's open up a business, whether it's fix your car, start buying parts. That's what makes it more real. For me, picking up that bird, taking basically a 13-hour day to pick it up, to take it from San Diego all the way to Los Angeles, that's action. For me, at least, that's a lot of action. Financially, I'm not like everybody think, for whatever reason, I'm like, I got money and stuff like that. No, excuse my language, I just make this broke shit look sexy. Like, man, I'm telling you, man, you got to peep the fit. Listen, you got to peep the fit I got on, man. I'm about to start doing these things. It's called busting on the budget, because y'all don't never see me when I'm looking good, you know what I'm saying? The only reason why I'm looking good today, because I had a parent-teacher conference, you know what I'm saying, at the school, you know what I'm talking about. But look, shirt right here, these little sweaters, got them from Costco. Check me out, these jeans, bam. Stretchy though, stretchy. Got these from Costco. Leave it in the comment, man. I already got it in my head. It's called BOAB, B-O-A-B. It's called busting on a budget. I've been thinking about doing this for so, you know what? I'm gonna get dressed tomorrow. I'm gonna record on my phone, because I don't know where my camera battery charger is at. I'm about to make a concept. It's called busting on a budget. If you want me to do it, leave it in the comments, man. 'Cause I'm telling you, I'm gonna teach you and show you how to dress. I'm gonna teach you and show you how to dress, man, and y'all gonna love it, man.